Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Alfan. I'm present you this paint game. First, everything in here it's made by this costume. The orange one is the control. All the color is from this pen, and you can change it with this. Look.
Okay.
So let's see all the codes that I've put in this. First is pencil. That is the presentation. All the broadcast goes into the pencil. The pencil here will receive everything that you see, and will set 10 color or do something that they must do. So first, let's
Just try it.
just try this. First, here's the pencil, right? It's pencil. So this is red, this is yellow. Oh wait, I forgot something. So here's the magic pen. It's to erase things from this paint. Or the real thing is to erase things from our world. I don't know why. And the second one, the draw one, is to turn from magic paint back to a pencil. The third is a glow. So it will glow. Look, if you don't know what, it's a little bit bigger. See? This is a shrink. It is to shrink it so it is more little, and this is to make it big. So let's start it. So first, let's draw all of this. Now you may be thinking, Alpha, why did you draw all of this? Well, it's to show you. So if you see this lightning and you want to know it why, first go to this lightning button and then press it. It will all go on. Thank you for this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.